Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to send messages on iPhone iOS 18 on iMessage with the special effects on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to send your messages to anyone on iPhone with a different style, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply click on software update. And here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest iOS version. And after checking the latest iOS version, what you have to do next is you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general. So in general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have enabled the iMessage. So here what you have to do, you have to simply go to apps, and you have to look for the messages, iMessages option here. And you have to simply make sure that you have simply turn on this toggle on. And after that you have turn on the iMessages. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the iMessage here. Now what you have to do, you have to simply type the message you want to send. Now what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold that arrow button here. And as you press and hold that arrow button, you will find a new kind of menu. So here you can simply find a new kind of option. The first option is as bubble, and here you can simply see that these options are available. So here you can simply select screen, and if you swipe right, then you can simply find different kind of special effects to send your message. As you can see, there are special effects to send your message. There is also a laser effect, so you can simply use that. Moreover, you can simply get that effect also. You can simply use any kind of option here. You can simply see the message send with slant, loud, and gentle, and invisible. So in this way, you can simply change the settings and use this effect on your iPhone. So if you want to send a message in different style, these are the options available. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.